Hi, I'm Jan Jones. I'm a board member with Lummi Island Health and Wellness. And I want to talk just for a minute about the home fit modification project that we're beginning and talk about why it's important and why we're excited about it and how it fits with what we're doing. I think we all want to live in our home and our community with our friends and neighbors as long as we can. AARP would say that's 75 to 95% of us feel that way. And especially when you live in a place like Lummi Island. But we are an island, and that means we are isolated from healthcare services. It makes it even more critical that we have safety in our homes and that we take care of ourselves as best we can. You know, as we age, our risk profile changes, and things that were not a problem or a danger to us earlier in our life become hazardous and really important to deal with. Falls are one of those most important, prevalent kinds of risks that can have life-changing impact. And they make us vulnerable in our own homes, which should be one of the safest places for us to be. So in reality, most of our homes were not designed for us to live in them for multiple decades and be able to meet the needs that we'll have as seniors. But the good news is that if we know about those risks, and we learn about ways to deal with them, we can decrease those risks and have a nice long stay in our homes. So what we're doing on Lummi Island Health and Wellness is to follow our mission, which is to create a hub for health and wellness resources for all Lummi Island residents to help us build resilience and cope with life's changes as they occur. And we are offering already a number of wellness classes, telehealth, and things like that. But another great benefit to building resilience is to create safe and secure homes and to make people aware of resources in the community. So that led us to apply and get a grant with AARP, a small grant for the rest of this year, and it's really focused on education and awareness. That's where change has to start. So in September and October, we'll be doing community education forums with this home fit guide tool, which is a really fantastic tool because it's very practical. It will walk us through each space in our home and give hints about things that could be fixed to make our home more safe. We'll have self-assessment tools that you can assess your own home after you have the learning. And we'll have volunteers trained to assist with self-assessments if you want it. So we're really excited. We think this is a great add-on to the mission and to services to the island, and we hope that you will participate. And if you have a particular interest in this, Lummi Island Health and Wellness is at Gmail, Lummi Island Health and Wellness at gmail.com. Right there, and let us know, and we'd love to engage you. Thanks.